Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sword Art Online, Fractured Daydream Error Code 2308-2006. The error reads, "This feature is not currently available in your country, region. Thank you for your interest in Nintendo eShop." As per our research, the error comes on the Nintendo Switch, especially when players are in the lobby. According to our research, this error is related to region restrictions. It may also occur if there is a mismatch in the region settings or any temporary glitch in the system or network. The first thing you should try is to power cycle your console. Simply turn off your Nintendo Switch completely. Then wait for a few seconds and power it back on. Once it restarts, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, visit accounts.nintendo.com and sign in to your Nintendo account. Then check if your country region setting is accurate. If it's not, correct it and try again. If the country region setting is already accurate, then try logging out and logging back into your account. Once done, check if the error is gone. In case the error still appears, make sure your Nintendo Switch has the latest system update installed. If there is any pending update, install it and check again. If updating doesn't help, try connecting your device to a different network. If you don't have any other Wi-Fi, then connect through a mobile hotspot. Then check for the error again. If the issue continues even after all these steps, then you should contact Nintendo support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.